Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take 3 sections of your hairs and start braiding it very nicely and gently from both the sides. Once you complete braiding, tie it all together with the help of a rubber band and be sure to do it very tightly. Now roll it and do it as shown in the video and then take it all together and tighten it and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the front portion of your hair and make 3 sections out of it. Now start braiding your hairs very nicely and gently and then take the remaining part of your hairs and take a small sections out of it and bring it to the braid and start braiding it all together as shown in the video. Now braid it till the bottom and it's done. For the next one, make a ponytail, then take a bun maker. Now start folding your hairs with the help of a bun maker and then attach the bun maker on the top and cover it with the hairs and it's done. For the next one, take 3 sections of your hairs. Now start braiding your hairs very nicely as it is shown in the video. Tie it and then tie it with the help of a rubber band. Do it on both the sides. Now take a small section of your hair and tie it with the rubber band as shown in the video. Now repeat the whole process and then bring it all together and pull it inside out as shown in the video and it's all done. For next one in the video, take 3 sections of your hairs and start braiding it all together as shown in the video. Now, with the help of the given product, start making small sections as shown in the video and do it all together on the underside too as it will start looking like this. Now bring the both braids together and tie it with the help of a rubber band and it's done. For this, take 3 sections on the front of your hair. Now start braiding it and then take the small sections of the remaining hairs and keep adding it to the braid as shown in the video. Now keep braiding your hairs nicely and gently and then braid it till the bottom. Now repeat the whole process on the another side and then braid it till the bottom and then tie it with the rubber band as shown in the video. As it will look like this, fold it and it's done. For the next one, take 3 sections of your hairs from the front side. Now start braiding your hairs from taking the smaller sections from the inside of your hairs as shown in the video as it will start looking like this. Repeat the whole process nicely and gently as it will look like this and then braid the remaining hairs nicely and tie it with the rubber band. Now take the smaller sections we have left earlier and start braiding it on the upside down way as it is shown in the video. Braid it very nicely and gently with the help of your hands and repeat the whole process until it will come to the bottom and be sure to do it very tight so as it will look like this. Pull some hairs and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take 3 sections of your hairs. Now start braiding your hairs by taking the small sections out of your hairs. Now keep braiding your hairs with the help of your hands and by taking out the smaller sections from the braid. Now take the smaller section and then add it into the braids as shown in the video. Be sure to repeat each and every process in the video so that it will look exactly like what it should be. Now pull out the strings and then repeat the whole process very nicely and gently till the bottom and then do it very nicely. Pull out the strings as it is shown in the video and it will start looking like this. Now do it on both the sides, attach it and it's all done. Thanks for watching.